please. CADDY Tech Support. Welcome to CADDY TV. Our job is to make your job easier, and one of the things that makes job easier these days is the use of MC/AC cable versus pulling conductors through pipe. We make a variety of products to secure and support the MC cable. One of our products is the snap clip series. So all you do is pop the clip on the flange, slide the cable in place, and you're good to go. Another product, newer product, is our MAC 2 series. It's designed to hold up to 2 runs of MC/AC cable. You can buy it separately, snap it onto metal studs, or as usual, we sell it with a variety of CADDY fasteners pre-assembled to it for bang-ons, beam clamps, you name it. The product that's really coming into its own these days is our MCS series. This is the MCS 50. It's designed to hold up to 4 runs of cable. And the important part of this is this little tab in the center. So the cables wrap up and around through here. The tab separates them so you don't have to worry about the conductor reduction, the opacity reduction as required by 310.15. Individuals for like drop wires, we have the CADDY KX. We also have PCS1 that do a single conductor like fixture whips and whatnot. Another product that's really handy these days is the WMX6 shot fire version. This product has been around for a while, but we just added a shot fire option pre-assembled. So take it out of the box, put it in the tool, fire it up into the deck. Between all these products and all the assemblies that are available, possibilities are endless. As I mentioned, with CADDY, the possibilities are endless. So from all of us at CADDY to all of you, happy holidays.